This pastry chef creates basketballs and other sweet treats that you can not only play basketball with but also eat at the end of the game. A more spectacular landing is hardly achievable by anyone. The key is to easily walk home along your main street with such a hairstyle after visiting this hair salon. If you don't look closely, passing by, you could really believe it. You don't need knives or other cold weapons when you are playing cards. This dog seems to know how to defy the laws of gravity effortlessly. You don't necessarily have to learn to draw. Just throw paint from a short distance, and it will all come together. This girl is as magnificent as she is talented. The golden tree has always been a symbol of wealth and abundance worldwide. Men never cease to surprise their loved ones with pleasant surprises. Hopefully, there will come a time when McDonald's waiters will roller skate to deliver ready orders. It's time to officially equate watermelon cutting with an Olympic sport. Catching balance at such an angle happens once in 1,000 times, which seems like a miracle or a deception of the audience. Undoubtedly, all the stunts performed in these cars are very impressive. But what's even more surprising is that they're all done by women. If you can dance beautifully, you'll always be the center of attention. Just make sure to lift your legs higher. These guys are definitely preparing for a circus performance. And if they also juggled, it would look even more spectacular. Take note of this clever way to perfectly cut laminate flooring. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.